Hello everybody, it's me, I'm back. So today I'll be showing you how, oh my god, what the, hold on. So today I will be showing you guys how to get gacha life. So first you want to go to Google, whatever it's called. Then you type in gacha life. You tap on this. Go. Come on! Yeah, okay. When you do that, you press on download. You can support Looney, but I'm just gonna tap on that because I can't support Looney right now. I'm sorry, Looney. And if you don't know what Gacha Life is a very fun game that you can really make videos and stuff like that. And I really like it. So yeah, this is my favorite game because I have an Instagram called Wolfie2 Plays Roblox. Yeah, you should probably go follow my Instagram account because, like, oh my god, I don't know. So, okay, it's finally downloaded it. Jeez, thank you. And then you tap on this. This is where I don't care. It needs to complete. It's completing. There. Now you tap on open. Then you tap on Gacha Life, then you tap on whatever, or actually tap on manage. I know you guys here. You tap on this, then tap on that. Well, that's what it has to say. Well, I can't really do it because this is what it's gonna say. I already downloaded it, so I can't download it again. So it will bring you to Gacha Life because I can't really like download it, but again because it's not again. It won't let you, to be honest. So you gotta download it by yourself. Well, if you want to watch it, just watch this video. If you don't know how to download Gacha Life. So yeah, that's how you do it, I guess. I'm just gonna play Gacha Life. Quiz, you are pre. Wait, what? Blair. Oh god damn it. Creepy cutie. Hold on. I Okay, back. Obviously it's Jewel, whatever it's called. Maybe you Four Eyes. You remembered. Thank you. My home tried to get rid of me. I'm so happy. What's my favorite food? Cake and sweet, maybe. You are my friend. Why don't I look? I know. Oh, I'm tired. Yay! I don't know. Oh, two more to go. But what's the only thing I ever wanted? A friend. Not to be a human. No, I have no friend. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. Okay. I just level up. So, yeah. So that's how you download Gacha Life. Ooh, happy Halloween, but this wasn't here before on my iPad. Well, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe. And I don't know, you can just do many things. Oof! Oh no, no, no! Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I guess I'm lost in the futures. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. How do I turn this thing off? I actually never knew. I just did it randomly. There.